So I recently got sent out these ratchet straps, and today I'm going to show you everything that you guys need to know about them. We're also going to do a super quick unboxing. And just in case you guys are curious, this is the workload limit. And on the inside, we're going to get some paperwork. We even get a bag to hold all of the ratchet straps, and they all come nicely packaged. We also are going to get some of these loops here made out of a really strong material. All the stitching seems solid. And let's go ahead and see how these things work. So here is the actual strap in action. It is retractable, so as soon as you're done using it, it just goes straight back in, which is super helpful if you guys have ever had to deal with ratchet straps. I always struggle rewinding them too, and this one, you shouldn't have to mess around with that whatsoever. And these are also 10 feet long, and the spring is super sturdy. It actually brings the entire strap back up even when upside down. So if you guys are looking for some really nice retractable ratchet straps, these look really cool. I also love the green color so they stand out, and the clips are really nice as well, and we even have a rubber grip on the end just to help you guys out if you're hot and sweaty trying to deal with this. At least you have something to grab. So anyways, if you guys are looking for some really high quality ratchet straps, these look really nice. And anyways, that's it for my super quick unboxing and test.